All right, this is a really interesting question. So we're flipping coins, so P equals a half. So for question A, N equals 16. P is a half. Obviously Q is also a half. So the mean equals 16 times a half times a half. 16 times a half. So it's going to be 8. The variance is 16 times a half, so it's 4. So the standard deviation is going to be 2, yeah? So if we were to graph this, here would be 8, 9, 10, 7, 6. So we would want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Okay, let's have a look at B. So here N is 36. So mu is NP, which is 36 times half, which is 16. The variance is NPQ, which is half of 16, which is 8. And the standard deviation is the square root of 8, which is 2 root 2. Now this time, entirely contained. We would do our thing. Here we've got 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 15, 14, 13, 12. 2 root 2 is actually 2.8. So we would go up 2.8 to 16 plus 2.8, so that'd be 18.8. And we would go down 2.8, so that'd be 13.2. So 13 won't be included in it, 14 will, 15 will, 16 will, 17 will, 18 will, but 19 and 13 won't be included in it, as far as I can tell. Just want to double check that I'm... Yeah, so we're going to have 5 columns. What, have I done this wrong? 36 times a half. Oh. Okay. 36 times a half is not 16, it's 18, which means this is 9, this is root 9, which is 3. So yeah, we're going up to 9. Instead of being at 16, we're at 18. 19, 20, 21, 17, 16, 15, 14. So yeah, we're going up to 21. We're going down to 15. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. Oh my gosh, no, I'm misinterpreting this question. The maths is fine. I'm just thinking of histograms wrong. Because if I do a histogram, and this is 0, 1, 2, 3, then I've got columns going from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, yeah? So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So for example, for this, for A, we've got 7. Like that. So going up to and down to would have taken us to the edges of those ones. So we've only got 4 columns. And for 18, we're going 3 each way, up to 21, down to 15, so that's 6 columns. Okay, and then for C, so you're essentially doubling the standard deviation, so I won't even bother drawing the next one, so that'll be 64, so the average is 32, which means the variance is 16, standard deviation is 4, so it's 8 columns. Okay.